Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the so-called Safe and Sealed initiative, which we've made some videos. We made one video specifically on this channel already, and travel bubbles, which we've noted previously in quite a few videos actually to date. Now, travel bubbles and safe and sealed, they're kind of euphemisms for sort of the same concept. It's this notion of a sort of secured, if you will, or sort of semi-quarantined travel experience for tourism here in Thailand. And it recently came to my attention via the Phuket News. That's the PhuketNews.com. Article is titled, Phuket Travel Bubbles to Begin with Test Group. Quoting directly, Royal Thai Army Deputy Commander-in-Chief General Nathapon Nakpanit, who also serves as the chairman of the ad hoc committee to consider easing the enforcement of measures to prevent the spread of COVID-19 under the Center for COVID-19 Situation Administration, the CCSA, has said that travel bubbles to Phuket may begin as early as the beginning of next month, with a small test group arriving via Bangkok. And this was published, just so people are aware of the timeline here, Friday the 14th of August, 2020. Quoting further, General Natapon broke the news after a meeting at the Phuket Provincial Hall yesterday, August 13th, where he was joined by Dr. Walarat Chaifu, Director of the Division of Epidemiology at the Ministry of Public Health's Department of Disease Control. So in an otherwise kind of bleak outlook for tourism here in Thailand, sort of at the coming into the home stretch of the fourth quarter of the year here, it's looking like there's at least a tiny ray of light at the end of the tunnel with respect to this overall international lockdown, if you want to call it that, and that we may actually be seeing some tourism coming to Thailand here in coming weeks. Now, that stated, this remains to be seen. We've heard travel bubbles discussed before. In fact, the whole plan was sort of put on ice, if you will, some weeks back, and then they've now come back forward, like I said, with this Safe and Sealed initiative. You know, clearly policymakers here in Thailand are trying to come up with a plan or initiative to get some tourism back in Thailand while also adhering to some of these COVID guidelines that have been set forth by the CCSA. So we will keep you updated on this channel as this progresses as best we can.